Scene script. Are you struggling with weight loss? You're not alone. Many of us grapple with dropping those stubborn pounds, and it's often a challenging journey. It's not just about hitting the gym or running for miles daily, it's about what you put on your plate. Yes, the food you consume plays a pivotal role in weight loss. Here's a little secret. Successful weight loss is often about preparation, and that's where meal prep comes in. Imagine having a refrigerator stocked with healthy, portion-controlled meals and snacks. No more impulsive takeouts. No more mindless snacking. Just wholesome, nutrient-dense foods ready to fuel your body. Meal prep helps you control your calorie intake, ensures you get a balanced diet, and prevents overeating. It's about making healthy eating convenient and sustainable. But you might wonder, how do you get started with meal prep? What should you cook? Don't worry, we're here to help. Meal prep can be a game changer in your weight loss journey, but how to get started? The key to successful meal prep is planning. It's all about making healthy meals easy. So, what is meal prep? Simply put, meal prep is the practice of planning, preparing, and packaging meals and snacks in advance, typically for the upcoming week, with the intention of maintaining a healthy eating style. Think of it as your food insurance plan. Why is meal prep effective for weight loss, you may ask? Well, when you have healthy meals ready to go, you're less likely to grab high-calorie, low-nutrient fast food or processed snacks on the run. Meal prep allows you to control your portions, which is a key factor in maintaining a healthy weight. You decide in advance how much you're going to eat, which eliminates the guesswork and prevents overeating. One of the greatest benefits of meal prep is the time it saves. Instead of having to cook every day, you can dedicate a few hours one day a week to prepare all your meals. No more last-minute scrambling to put together a healthy meal. Consistency is another advantage of meal prep. When you plan and prepare your meals in advance, you're more likely to stay on track with your healthy eating plan. After all, it's much easier to stick to a plan when your meals are already prepared. Meal prep also allows for variety. Since you're planning in advance, you can ensure that your meals for the week include a balance of lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. This not only ensures a well-rounded diet but also keeps your meals interesting and flavorful. Finally, meal prep can save you money. By planning your meals, you can make more efficient use of your groceries and reduce food waste. Plus, eating out or buying convenience foods can be expensive. With meal prep, you can enjoy healthy, home-cooked meals without breaking the bank. In conclusion, meal prep is a powerful tool in your weight loss journey. It gives you control over your food, saves you time, encourages consistency, allows for variety, and can save you money. With meal prep, you're setting yourself up for success. Scene script. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it can be healthy and delicious. Let's delve into some breakfast meal prep ideas that will kickstart your day with a healthy boost. Remember, the aim is to create a well-rounded meal that is rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. This combination not only fuels your body, but also keeps you feeling satisfied longer, curbing those mid-morning snack cravings. Our first idea is oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts. Oats are a fantastic source of fiber and can help control blood sugar levels. Adding in fruits like berries or banana slices provides natural sweetness and vital vitamins. Nuts such as almonds or walnuts bring in heart-healthy fats and an extra bit of crunch. Next up, we have yogurt with fruits and granola. Choose a low-fat, high-protein yogurt as your base, then top it with your favorite fruits and a sprinkle of granola for a breakfast that feels like a treat, but is actually very balanced. Boiled eggs with vegetables is another fantastic option. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, and the veggies add necessary fiber and nutrients. You can either chop the veggies and mix them with the eggs or have them on the side. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, or even a handful of spinach. Last but not least, a simple fruit salad can be a refreshing and satisfying start to your day. Choose a variety of colorful fruits to benefit from a wide range of nutrients. You could even sprinkle on some chia seeds or flax seeds for an extra nutritional punch. The beauty of these ideas is that they're not only healthy but also highly customizable. You can mix and match ingredients based on your personal preferences and dietary requirements. And the best part? These can be prepped in advance, saving you time on busy mornings. These breakfast ideas will keep you full and satisfied until lunchtime. So go ahead, give them a try and start your day off right. Lunch and dinner don't have to be complicated. Simple, nutritious meals are the way to go. Let's dive into lunch first. A classic choice is a chicken salad. By using lean chicken breast, you're getting a high-quality protein source. Add in a rainbow of vegetables. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, and tomatoes for a nutrient-dense meal. Don't forget a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon for a fresh and healthy dressing. If you're a fan of seafood, try a salmon salad. Grilled salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are heart-healthy. Pair it with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a tangy vinaigrette. It's a meal that's light but packed with flavor. But what if you crave something warm and comforting? A vegetable soup is a fantastic choice. You can make a big pot at the start of the week, and it's ready to go when you need it. Use a variety of vegetables, and for a protein boost, add in beans or lentils. Moving on to dinner, let's talk about stir-fries. They are quick, easy, and can be packed with nutritious ingredients. Try a lean meat stir-fry with a mix of colorful vegetables. Use lean cuts of beef or chicken, and season with fresh herbs and spices for a meal that's low in calories but high in taste. Another dinner idea is steamed fish. It's a cooking method that keeps the calories low but the flavor high. Pair it with a side of steamed vegetables or a quinoa salad, and you've got a balanced meal. Of course, these are just ideas. Feel free to mix and match based on your preferences. The key is to choose whole, nutritious foods and control your portion sizes. These meal ideas are not only healthy, but also delicious and satisfying. Remember, meal prep isn't about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with the foods it needs to function at its best. So, get creative in the kitchen and enjoy the process. Snacking doesn't have to derail your weight loss journey. In fact, with a bit of planning, your snacks can be a great tool to keep you satiated and fueled throughout the day. Let's delve into some healthy snack meal prep ideas that are both nutritious and delicious. First up, fruits. Packed with vitamins and fiber, fruits like apples, berries, and oranges make for a quick and easy snack. You can even prepare a fruit salad in advance for those days when you're on the go. Next, vegetables. Crunchy veggies like carrots, bell peppers, and cucumbers can be pre-cut and stored in your fridge for a refreshing bite any time of the day. Pair them with a homemade hummus or a yogurt dip for an extra protein boost. Then, we have nuts and nut butters. A handful of almonds, walnuts, or a spoonful of peanut butter can stave off hunger and provide you with healthy fats and protein. These snack ideas will keep your hunger at bay and your energy up. Meal prep can seem daunting, but with a few tips and tricks, it becomes a breeze. Let's dive right in. Firstly, keep things simple. You don't have to be a gourmet chef to prepare healthy meals. Use simple and easy-to-find ingredients that are rich in nutrients and flavor. Next, prepare in batches. Cook one big meal and divide it into portions. This way, you only cook once but eat several times, saving you precious time during busy weekdays. Don't underestimate the power of your kitchen appliances. A slow cooker can be a lifesaver when it comes to meal prep. Just toss in your ingredients in the morning, and you'll have a hot, healthy meal waiting for you by dinner time. Finally, variety is the spice of meal prep. Rotate your recipes to keep your palate excited and prevent mealtime monotony. With these tips, you'll be a meal prep pro in no time. Starting a new habit can be challenging, but remember, every step brings you closer to your goal. Embracing meal prep is not just about losing weight, it's about gaining control. Control over your diet, your health, and ultimately, your life. Each meal you prepare is a commitment to your well-being, a commitment that says, I care about my body and I'm willing to invest in it. And the best part? You're not alone in this journey. There are countless resources out there to guide you, including our previous videos on meal prep ideas and tips. So why wait another day? Get started on your meal prep journey. Start small, maybe with just one meal a day. And before you know it, you'll be reaping the benefits. Not just in pounds lost, but in energy gained, in confidence boosted. You have the power to change your life, one meal at a time. Start your meal prep journey today.